busy boys? Welcome back to another vlog on the channel. It's a beautiful overcast morning out, and आज का scene ये है कि we are taking this thing on its first ever Murree ride. Now I forgot to record the intro, of course. I met this I didn't even catch his name, man. I met this guy named I didn't catch his name, as I said. I met this guy named कुछ लिखते. Scene ये है कि I met him and he was looking for a bike basically. So advice दे रहा था. Gave him some advice. Got in contact with him, connection with him, whatever you'd like to call it. And man, this road is bumpy. Acha, huh? So did that and up. We are heading to Murree. So yeah, boys. Scene. I don't know क्या scene है. I was bored. I woke up. I was like, पूरी ज़िंदगी सो के थोड़ी गुजारनी है. So I woke up and now we're going to Murree, boys. Sunday का दिन है. Hopefully the riders भी आए होंगे. It's gonna be a chill ride. Not looking to get a salon. So yes, so bumpy. Okay, I'm smoother. Up smooth hair. Okay, so enjoy the ride, boys. I don't think I'm gonna talk much. We're just gonna cruise to our destination, enjoy the ride, enjoy the morning, enjoy the empty road. So yes, boys. Look at the sun. गर्मियाँ से इतनी नहीं है, by the way. That is a good thing. बाकी we'll see क्या होता है, boys. Look at the sun, mashallah, mashallah, mashallah. I'm so glad I get to do this, you know. And yeah, this bike can be a bit of a quarry at times, but you know, moments like these make up for it. And I have to remember these moments when this thing messes up. I think Lavalier other boys been ignoring it. I have so much more respect for the guys who use their Lavaliers as touring machines than who stress them out, man. Hey, ये 101 वाला चक्कर ना खत्म हो जाना चाहिए. Bikes should be usable. My bikes should be usable more than anything. Man, it is so beautiful out. Mashallah, mashallah, mashallah. Hopefully हमारी ride को नजर ना लगे. And hopefully we don't get any salons, man. Because I cannot be bothered to pay those. I think salan bhi acha khasa increase ho chuka hai. I think it used to be 1500 or 1000 or something. 1250 I think. It has doubled. It has been doubled by. This thing runs cool when it wants to. Look at the temps, 169. And we have been riding for not like that long, but you know, still at it, mashallah. And I've missed these mountains. By the way, मैंने GoPro का angle थोड़ा सा switch up किया, so do let me know if it's better or not. I think बिल्कुल angle down हो गया था काफ़ी. R1 की sitting position भी थोड़ी सी different as compared to the 636, so I had to angle it up a bit. As it's not that aggressive. बारिश ना हो जाए यार boys. Famous last words वाला scene now, but man, I love bikes, mashallah, mashallah. 167 is the temperature. He's running cool, man. She's running cool. Boys खड़े हुए हैं. I think ये लोग वापस आ रहे हैं. मैं जा रहा हूँ. And brakes on this thing are so good once they warm up though. You have to warm them up. The key is to like जब भी जैसे राइड में निकलो I mean just warm them up, एक दो pumps those that are big and they get up to the operating temperature fast. क्योंकि वैसे ही अगर ब्रेक लगाई ना थोड़ी देर बाद तो man you're not gonna feel much, I'm telling you. Let's not get a challan. I'm so afraid of challans. Challan ना मिलना is वो नहीं होती जो Xbox की achievements होती हैं, उस तरह pop up करना चाहिए. Okay, no shenanigans क्योंकि first time on the Murree roads. Not first time on this bike. We're just gonna be chill. We are just gonna be chill. We're just gonna do what I love. That is downshifting. Oh, I love this thing. Mashallah, mashallah. Look at the temps. Look at the temps. You won't believe you're on an R1. I did upload in reel that this is the best way to wake up in the morning. This actually is the best way to wake up in the morning. Look at the rays of light peeking through the clouds. This is life, as Dr. IXON said in his blog. Bhai, bahar niklo, use these machines. Use any machine that you have, bhai. If you have a 70, 125, 150, make the most of those, bhai. Those aren't just made for commute. So, yes, boys. जो मर्जी कर लो, you do still feel the heat in the foot area, man, because of the cat. This cat का कुछ करना पड़ेगा, boys. It needs to be removed. Needs to be removed. Needs to go, man. It needs to go. I don't like it. literally turned around for another R1. देखो इतना भाईचारा है R1 वाले लोगों में. डिप्रेशन दे देते हैं बाइक सब है. Because these things never run, man. There is the U-turn, man. I need the U-turn. U-turn should be here somewhere. It's not here. Fucking hell. Ah. Let's go and say hi to him, boys. Boys, our ride has been cut short क्योंकि एक fellow R1 I met him. इसका बाइक के जो filter का issue आता where it gunks up the filter. वो issue आ रहा है. The bike is missing a bit. So he said yeah आप आगे जाएं, continue the ride. But since he is Saito का दोस्त, any friends of Saito's is a friend of mine. So yeah, I was like, nah, this won't look nice. Let's head back with him. Ride मैंने करनी थी, ride मैंने कर ली. So ये scene है boys. Ride हमने सुबह सुबह की enjoy करनी थी, वो हमारी हो गई. गंदा गंदा गंदा. It is probably the first time that I have met an R1 on the road. It looks clean, man. Nothing good. Nah, done चलें. Okay. Done. Okay, boys, we're gonna eat something. Hopefully, bike का issue clear हो जाएगा तब तक. My boys, we are on our way back. खड़े हुए juice वगैरह पिया. The other R1 is misfiring a bit. Abdul Rahman is the guy's name. So, fair downhill है, so it's not going to be that big of an issue. But let's see, man. Hopefully the guy can get home sukoon se. Man, R1s aren't. You can't trust an R1, man. So yeah, I'm gonna listen to my music, boys. Enjoy the rest of the ride. I know it's I don't know kitna vlog record hua hai because my camera keeps messing up. But jo bhi hua, I'll upload it for you guys. So yeah. Handsy boys, we are back at the Tool Plaza. Okay, यार boys, मिलते हैं. Okay यार, अल्लाह हाफ़िज़. Okay यार, मिलते हैं यार इंशाल्लाह. Okay, इंशाल्लाह. चलें जी boys. Okay जी boys, it's time to head home now. If you guys enjoy this vlog, I don't know कि कितना vlog बनाया again, but I'll make something of it for you guys inshallah. So I'll see you all in the next one. Till then, take care of yourself and enjoy your life, man.